A mobile digital billboard campaign was launched across Washington, D.C., urging the United Nations to fulfill its long-standing commitment to the people of Jammu and Kashmir and ensure the internationally recognized right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, the campaign was organized by the World Kashmir Awareness Forum (WKAF) on the occasion of Right to Self-Determination Day, marking the anniversary of the United Nations Security Council resolution of January 5, 1949, which guarantees Kashmiris the right to decide their political future through a free and impartial plebiscite under UN suspicions. The brightly lit digital billboard carried strong messages including Kashmiris demand plebiscite, your resolution Kashmiri is not an Indian territory, India release all political prisoners and stop land grabbing in Kashmir, and the Kashmir facing existential threat. Chairman of the World Forum for Peace and Justice, Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai, said that the denial of the Kashmiris' people right to self-determination has kept South Asia unstable and brought India and Pakistan, both nuclear-armed states, dangerously close to conflict. He further said that the unresolved Kashmir disputes remain a serious threat to regional and global peace. Dr. Fai said that since August 5, 2019, when India revoked the special status of Jammu and Kashmir, the situation in the territory has sharply deteriorated, with mass arrest, suppression of civil liberties, imprisonment of political leadership, and systematic demographic changes. He further said the International Human Rights Organization, they have documented widespread abuses in the occupied territory. President of WKAF, Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai, said the world community has been deliberately misinformed about the plight of Kashmir despite nearly 8 decades of Indian military control. He further said India has consistently defied UN resolutions through deception and political maneuvering to block a plebiscite. President of Kashmir House, Washington, Raja Liaquat Kiani, said Kashmir remains one of the most militarized regions in the world. He said the silence of international community in the face of injustice is deeply troubling. The speaker suggested that lasting peace in South Asia is impossible with resolving the Kashmir dispute, in accordance with the aspirations of the Kashmiri people and the United Nations resolution.